Can you run that back for me?
Yeah, sure.
From the top.
I gotta just stay away, leave me out in the cold. I gotta just walk away from you without a say. Girl, you better sing.
Mommy can't do that.
All I need is satisfaction, a piece of go best friend, that's my best friend. Go best friend, that's my best friend. Beyonce hobo, Rihanna hobo, Taylor Swift hobo. They better watch out 'cause my best friend coming through. Babe, I can already see you get to the valuable. And I would like to thank my best friend, the baddest bitch TT, for always having my back and for being my biggest supporter. I love you, boo.
Could we get back to the session?
Yeah, let's get to it. Gotta just walk away, out in the car.
Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again.
Big up from me, watch it till the end. If you like it, tell a friend. Don't forget to hit the bell.